This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video I'm going to show you the Water Tech Precision version 10. And the Precision 10 is their latest version of the commercial portable vacuums. One of the really nice features of this version is that the battery is completely sealed. This is a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and here's where you will recharge it. And the lithium-ion battery inside here will give this cleaner 2 hours of cleaning time. There's no need to open this up and change the battery. And the version 10 comes with 2 vacuum heads. You have this fixed vacuum head here with the brushes on the bottom. And this should be a familiar vacuum head if you used the Water Tech Cordless battery operated vacuums before. And it also comes with the standard vacuum head assembly as well. And included are 3 bags. You have the multi-layer filter bag. Then you have a sand silt bag, and you have an all-purpose bag. And this one is for larger leaf debris and twigs. And included are the plugs for an outlet to charge the cleaner. You have your European plug, you have the standard plug here in the United States. And there's also an adapter to charge the cleaner in your service truck. And if the Precision version 10 is fully discharged, it'll take about 6 hours to fully charge it. You can simply plug it in to a socket, or you can charge it again in your service vehicle while you're driving. Also included is a shoulder strap that clips on, so you can easily carry it back to your stops. Also included is a shallow water adapter. So if you're going to use the Precision version 10 in shallow water, you would just attach this to the front. And then you would attach your vacuum hose on this end here. And then attach the other end to the manual vacuum head. And then you would set the body in the water, and now you can vacuum out shallow water with the Precision version 10. And the vacuum will easily connect to any standard telescoping pool pole. As you can see here, the Precision version 10 does a great job picking up leaf debris and also dirt. And it's a great way to manually vacuum a pool without bringing your vacuum hose and using the customer skimmer and filtration system to vacuum a pool. So there's no worry about poor suction from the customer's equipment or priming the pump. You have everything right here. You just turn it on and drop it in. It's a great way to quickly manual vacuum a pool on your pool route without again using the system vac. It also weighs about 12 pounds when it's fully assembled. So it's lightweight and it's very maneuverable in the pool, as you can see here. And it has really good suction, so it has no problem picking up dirt as well as the larger leaf debris from the bottom of a pool. And as you're going to see in a moment, it has a very large debris bag. This is great for vacuuming pools that have average amount of leaf debris. Let me show you the debris that it picked up here. And this is the multi-layer filter bag. You can see all the leaf debris it picked up, as well as dirt. And here's a version 10 using the sand silt bag. And I'm using it to vacuum out a spa with a lot of fine debris. And this bag is designed for the finer debris. It's not designed for large twigs or debris that's sharp. So you can only use this bag for the finer debris, but I think it works great. And you can see I'm using the fixed vacuum head here with the brushes. And I find this to be convenient if you're going to use the Precision version 10 to vacuum out spas. The fixed vacuum head works great in this situation. And here's a look at the debris that it picked up with the sand silt bag. You can see all the fine silt that it picked up here. And you can see that the Precision version 10 is a very versatile, portable commercial vacuum. And you can see that this has no problem picking up large leaf debris, as well as the finer sand and silt. And again, the Precision version 10 has a lithium-ion battery that has a runtime of 2 hours. And I really like the fact that it's completely sealed. There's no worry about water getting into the motor. And this would be a solid choice if you're looking for a commercial grade battery operated vacuum. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's Wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's Wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.